Are you looking for digital marketing and sales automation expert to grow your sales and make business profitable?
So let's so here is the form, okay, so that because there is a detailed report, so not just this report, but we have given a detailed report that how does it work. So can you help me with your name, which I know Janhavi, Janvi, correct?
Yeah.
Your email ID would be
Janhavi Deshmukh, 7011. It's a company name.
oh sorry, and then your contact number would be just random.
90
Mm-hmm.
49
Mm-hmm.
48
Mm-hmm.
4.
All right. Okay. After this, when I click on get detailed report, sorry, I missed the company field. I'm gonna write Raman over here.
Okay.
No. I click on get detailed report. Now a report is being sent to your email,
Okay.
and voila, here it is, the complete report.
So we get the full report.
Correct. This whole report will be there in your email.
Okay.
Now, this is as per your current method. So in your traditional methods, the number of emails, okay, that you're sending, for which you take 4 minutes, with LeadCon, it happens literally in 0.9 seconds.
Okay.
To know how it works, if I click on know how, here is a small video of how it works.
Okay.
Done. So you can watch all these videos separately and you will get an idea about how it happens literally in 0.9 seconds. Then you have got SMSs which you send, it takes 3 minutes, okay. Here is it normally you take around an hour's time to send those 30 SMSs. With LeadCon it happens, in 18 minutes, okay. The cost to company. So when I say cost to company, what we are doing is the 10,000 rupees, which is the salary which is being paid, against the 25 days of work that they are doing. So there is an hourly and a minute by basis we have pulled out, to which we are giving the cost to company. Okay. With respect to WhatsApp, you take 120 minutes, we just take 36 minutes. Okay, cost to company is 100, here is just 30. So if you'll see the total time taken using your current traditional method is around 310 minutes, whereas with LeadCon is just 81 minutes. Okay, doing the same stuff. The total cost to company per person is around 258, whereas with LeadCon is just 68 rupees, right? So what is the total saving with LeadCon per year? Here, per team member, the person would be saving 1,045 hours, 1,145 hours per year. Just imagine what
It's
he
a
can
huge-
do, right? Just imagine what he can do with the time that is being saved. He can, we'll figure out. So even that we have given.
Okay.
The cost that the company would be saving is around 57,000 rupees. Okay. If we talk about the entire team, which is of 10 people, we are talking about 5,725 hours which could be saved. And the cost to the company which is being saved is around 2,85,000. Now, from the time that we are saving here, what would the person do?
Okay.
Which is, now I'm going to talk to you about the two aspects, which we shared. Solving a problem. Now, don't you think putting so much time is a problem?
No.
Putting so much time for doing things which could happen in just 81 minutes, putting an I call it as a donkey work of 310
Yeah.
minutes, out of which it could only happen in 81 minutes. Don't you think it is a problem that when you're putting 310 minutes?
That's a problem.
Yes, that's a
Yes.
problem, right? And that's what the most important factor. When you have this problem, we have a solution to your problem. So what is the solution? Now, with the time that is being saved, okay, so which is out of this, as we said, the 289 minutes that we saved totally, okay, we
Yes.
are going to see what all things happen, okay.
Okay.
Per day, if we consider that a person needs 1 hour for a meeting, 1 hour for a meeting, now the person is in a position to do 4 extra meetings. Extra.
Yeah.
In a month, he is in a position to do 100 meetings, considering 25 days. In a day, the number of calls that he is doing, if we consider that he is going to spend 5 minutes per call, so these are all connected calls on which he is actually talking to someone, not like busy tha, अरे बाद में फोन करो, कट कर दिया, not those calls where I am actually talking to you for 5 minutes. Now the person is able to do around 46 calls in a day. In a month, he can do extra 1,150 calls. So just imagine, if he is currently doing say 1,000 calls in the current scenario. Because of LeadCon, he is now able to add another set of 1,000 calls.
Yes.
If in the earlier one, if we normally say that the sales ka there is a conversion rate कि कितने convert हो रहे हैं. If it is 10, so 1,000 calls पहले कर रहा था, out of which 10% is around 100 were converting. Now with an addition of another 1,000 calls, conversion rate remaining the same, is now able to do another 100 sales, which is twice.
Yeah,
Expansion, which is literally 100% rise from the earlier sale that he was doing.
Yes.
So he was doing earlier 100, now he is able to do 200. Don't you think this additional sale is going to add value to your profit?
Yes, exactly.
Right? And that is the core purpose. We have also added that in case in the same time, if he happens to visit an exhibition or a conference, now he is in a position to do 2 conferences or 2 exhibitions, okay, if he's spending 2 hours there in a day, and such in a similar fashion around 47 of them. Now we spoke about the problem. Now let me show you what will happen to achieve your goal.
Okay.
With the cost that is being saved, as you can see this cost here.
Yeah.
Okay, with this cost that is being saved, what all things could happen? You can buy 11 laptops,
Oh my god.
okay, which are worth 25,000 rupees. You are in a position to buy 29 new phones, which are of rupees 10,000.
10,000. Yes.
Right? So 29, we can also say that you can buy 2 iPhones worth a lakh of rupees. Rather 3, right? Then when it comes to, in case you wish to hire someone new, you can, with the saved cost, you can hire 1 extra person for whom you are paying 30,000 rupees salary, right? If in case you wish to participate in exhibition, you can now participate in 3 exhibitions in a year. If you wish to do training for your staff members, trainings for your staff members, now you can do 7 such trainings whose costing could be 40,000 rupees. So good training, maybe, for their engineering, whatever products you have, you can do good trainings for them, and such you can conduct 7 trainings in a year. Now, do you think I am helping you achieve your...
Definitely you're helping.
Right? And that is why we say LeadCon is a sales companion. Okay? The core purpose of LeadCon has always been that, is increasing the revenue of the organization, because when the revenue of the organization increase, the sales increase, so does the profit. Right?
Yes.
So I hope you have understood the core essence of what we call it as, or why are we offering this opportunity for work from home, and why do we already have a huge set of customers who have bought from us the LeadCon application with literally as good as no marketing. The reason being, we are helping them solve their problems and helping them achieve their goals. Right?
Yes.
So I would now like to take you through. So now as you have seen this, वो कहते हैं ना कि मुझे मर्सिडीज लेना है, right? अरे वाह बहुत अच्छी है, लेकिन मैं चला के देखूंगा, right? So now I'm going to take you through the demo.
Okay.
And going to prove you this. So we are going to keep this in front of us, okay? And then we are going to go through the demo. So I'm going to keep this here, and we are going to see how does the demo work, and if it is correct, I want you to give a tick mark.
Okay.
Okay, like acknowledge if it is
Sure.
correct.
To make your business online and train your sales executives to get more customers and more leads. What are you waiting for? Contact today your sales and marketing automation expert to grow your business and make profitable. For more details, click on the below link in the description.